All right, I know you guys are super excited to see some progress on the camper, but we're going to take a little break from that today, and we are actually going to head to a vintage camper rally. I've never been to one, kind of excited to go, and I'm pretty sure I'm the only one in my family that's looking forward to this, but I think some inspiration would be good. So come along with us. So Trevor just got his learner's permit and he passed his driving test and everything, so he's gonna be driving us to this vintage camper rally. Are you nervous? In vintage camper heaven right now. These campers are all just so amazing. Oh, I can't wait to finish ours. Oh my gosh, look at that bunk bed. We're renovating our own camper, so we're getting ideas.
Oh, yeah.
Kira, what are you doing?
It's so hot. This couch feels so good. You guys should sit on this. Like diamond. Like they have like a little bunny here, a deer with this little bush of flowers and a mirror. You do like your makeup on. Then you sit on this couch. This is just love the glow campers. But the question is, where?
Do you like these campers?
Yeah, I really like the small ones because I think that they're really, really cute. Even the baby flamingos, I really like them. But do not eat them. Do not.
Ooh, this is nice.
Oh. Okay, food place.
You want to go check it out?
Yeah.
Is this one your favorite?
I think so. This one is really. It even has a TV. I would love that.
Look how cute that kitchen is.
Look at this little seat. To sit at and just go.
Love stepping back in time right now. I'm just in heaven with all of these vintage campers. This has been the best day.
It's huge in here. Yeah. There's a whole bathroom in here. And it's adorable.
Cute.
They have a whole closet behind a chair.
Yeah.
And this, I can tell this folds into a bed. And they even have a bunk bed up there. And this
Cute.
might fold into a bed. And then there's a bunk bed up here.
Cool. Competition at 5 o'clock.
No, there's a lady out washing the feet.
Shower in here.
What? Oh, cuteness. I love it.
Perfect height.
Oh, this one's a little bit bigger. This was the same toilet? Yep, that was the toilet we demoed out of our camper.
Yeah.
definitely a point where you think, do I really want to do this? You know, and then, then there's a point where you have to
Ooh, look at that chandelier, Evelyn.
You gotta finish it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna take my time out of it.
yeah, been there a time where I thought, I can't stand up in here.
So come on. Try standing up over here. That's so tall.
Oh, you think it's a massage chair? This is it? Ooh, it's hot and cute.
Yeah.
And it's only a bedroom. I can stand just barely. And it's only a bedroom. There's like no place to go to the bathroom. Like, where would you go? Would you just be on the beds?
So I've decided I have a goal. I want to participate in a future vintage camper rally because this is so cool. I'm in heaven. Like, all of the people are dressed like during that time, and it is so fun. And seeing all the antiques, I'm in love. So I'm definitely doing this. I hope you enjoyed this vintage camper rally as much as we did. Okay, I did. And I'll catch you guys later on the next video. Thanks for watching.
And candy!
Yeah, we did score some candy.